This year we are attending a GSE in order to show the developments we are doing for the automation of composites manufacturing. And this year in particular we are putting the focus in the aerospace applications. One of the projects in which we have been working for several years already is the Admp, a proprietary lamination technology for dry multi-axial fabrics. During the last period we have been working in particular in the precision of the system, in the robustness, but also in the incorporation of quality assessment systems to our demonstration cell. In this demonstration cell we are capable of producing demonstrators of sizes up to 10 meters with a high integration of elements in the demonstrators.